tools. Step 1. Open the upper cover of the main device. Wear on the anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to electronic components. Press the connecting button, then separate the humidifier from the main device. Remove the SD card. Open the upper shell with flat tweezers or slotted screwdriver. Remove the upper shell. Step 2. Remove the circuit board. Brush a little alcohol solution on the LCD terminal fixing glue. Remove the LCD fixing glue. Open up the LCD terminal and take out the LCD wires. Pull out the terminal block of the knob, then take out the knob wires. Unscrew the 3 screws on the circuit board. Remove the alarm circuit board, motor wires and humidifier wires. Step 3. Replace the circuit board. Step 4. Install the circuit board. Plug the motor wires and the humidifier wires into the terminal blocks. The wires need to be settled properly to prevent from being pressed. Plug the knob wires into the terminal. Plug the LCD wires into the terminal. When installing the circuit board, the pressure sensor and the flow sensor should be fitted closely with the sealing rings. Screw the 3 screws on the circuit board. Settle the wires to prevent from being pressed by the upper shell. Step 5. Install the upper shell. Plug the 2 hooks of the upper shell into the slots. Close the upper shell. Insert the SD card. Connect the humidifier and the main device. Thanks for watching.